Daily Dawn Vocabulary. With Urdu meanings. December 23, 2022. For more upcoming videos, subscribe now our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. 1. Cynical, adjective.
बदगुमान, बदजन, मशकूक.
Believing that people are motivated purely by self-interest, distrustful of human sincerity or integrity. Example, he was brutally cynical and hardened to every sob story under the sun. Synonyms: skeptical, doubtful, distrustful, suspicious, disbelieving, unbelieving, scoffing. Antonyms: optimistic, credulous. 2. Glaring, adjective.
भड़कीला, अंधा करने वाला, चमकदार.
Giving out or reflecting a strong or dazzling light. Example, the glaring sun. Synonyms: dazzling, blinding, blazing, strong, extremely bright, harsh, fluorescent. Antonyms: dim, soft. 3. Resurgence, noun.
कुवत बख्शी, नई रूह, हयात नौ.
An increase or revival after a period of little activity, popularity, or occurrence. Example, a resurgence of interest in religion. Synonyms: renewal, revival, recovery, rally, upturn, comeback, reinvigoration, reawakening, resurrection. Antonyms: decline, death, stay in place, recede. 4. Predominantly, adverb.
ज़्यादा कुव्वत से, गालिब तौर पर, ज़बरदस्ती से.
Mainly, for the most part. Example, it is predominantly a coastal bird. Synonyms: mainly, mostly, for the most part, chiefly, principally, primarily, predominantly, preponderantly. Antonyms: completely, entirely, fully, perfectly. 5. Rhetoric, noun.
शौकत अल्फाज, लिसानी, इल्म बयान.
The art of effective or persuasive speaking or writing, especially the exploitation of figures of speech and other compositional techniques. Example, he is using a common figure of rhetoric, hyperbole. Synonyms: oratory, eloquence, power of speech, command of language, expression, way with words. Antonyms: quiet, conciseness. 6. Rapacious, adjective.
शिकार खेलना, शिकारी, लुटेरा.
Aggressively greedy or grasping. Example, rapacious landlords. Synonyms: grasping, greedy, avaricious, acquisitive, covetous, mercenary, materialistic, insatiable. Antonyms: generous. 7. Innumerable, adjective.
बेशुमार, बेहिसाब, बहुत ज़्यादा जो गिनना मुश्किल हो.
Too many to be counted, often used hyperbolically. Example, innumerable flags of all colors. Synonyms: countless, numerous, very many, manifold, multitudinous, multifarious, untold. Antonyms: few. 8. Patronage, noun.
ताईद, हिमायत.
The support given by a patron. Example, the arts could no longer depend on private patronage. Synonyms: sponsorship, backing, funding, financing, philanthropy, promotion, furtherance, help. Antonyms: disapproval, invalidate, disprove, disapprove. 9. Invoke, verb.
दुआ करना, मदद तलब करना, बुलाना.
Call on a deity or spirit, in prayer, as a witness, or for inspiration. Example, the antiquated defense of insanity is rarely invoked in England. Synonyms: pray to, call on, appeal to, plead with, supplicate, entreat, solicit, beseech, beg. Antonyms: wave. 10. Inferior, adjective.
कम रुतबा, अदीम, कमतर, complex.
Lower in rank, status, or quality. Example, schooling in inner city areas was inferior to that in the rest of the country. Synonyms: lower in status, lesser, second class, second fiddle, minor, subservient, lowly. Antonyms: superior, senior. 11. Expediency, noun.
ज़रूरत, मुफीद, हिकमत अमली.
The quality of being convenient and practical despite possibly being improper or immoral, convenience. Example, an act of political expediency. Synonyms, convenience, advantage, advantageousness, usefulness, utility, benefit, profitability, profit. Antonyms, disadvantage. 12 milieu, noun.
मुआशरती माहौल.
A person's social environment. Example, Gregory came from the same aristocratic milieu as Sidonius. Synonyms, environment, background, backdrop, setting, context, atmosphere, scene, location. Antonyms, no place, advantage, boon, calm, certainty. 13 imply, verb.
इशारत न कहना. मवाद होना.
Indicate the truth or existence of something by suggestion rather than explicit reference. Example, salesmen who use jargon to imply superior knowledge. Synonyms, implicit, indirect, hinted, suggested, insinuated, deducible, inferred, understood. Antonyms, explicit, direct. 14 contradictory, adjective.
मुतज़ाद, तरदीद करना, बरक्स.
Mutually opposed or inconsistent. Example, the two studies came to contradictory conclusions. Synonyms, opposed, in opposition, opposite, antithetical, contrary, contrasting, conflicting, at variance. Antonyms, consistent, compatible. 14 agrim, adjective.
कड़ा, शदीद, सख्त, संगीन.
Very serious or gloomy. Example, his grim expression. Synonyms, stern, forbidding, uninviting, unapproachable, aloof, distant, formidable, strict. Antonyms, amiable, pleasant. 15 prognosis.
तशखीस मज़.
The prospect of recovery or anticipated from the unusual course of disease or peculiarities of the case. Synonyms, arguing, cast, prediction. Antonyms, calculation/measurement. 16 devastation, noun.
तबाही, वीरानी.
Great destruction or damage. Example, the floods caused widespread devastation. Synonyms, destruction, ruin, desolation, depredation, waste, havoc, wreckage, ruins. 17 abatement, noun.
कटौती, हल्का पड़ना, जोर टूटना.
The action of abating or being abated, ending or subsiding. Example, this trend shows no sign of abatement. Synonyms, subsiding, dying down/away/out, dropping off/away, lessening, easing, off, decrease, diminishing. Antonyms, intensification, increase. 18 calamity, noun.
आफत, सानिहा, कमबख्ती.
An event causing great and often sudden damage or distress, a disaster. Example, emergency measures may be necessary in order to avert a calamity. Synonyms, disaster, catastrophe, tragedy, cataclysm, devastating blow, crisis, adversity, blight. Antonyms, godsend, blessing. 19 miserable, adjective.
दुखी, बदनसीब.
Of a person, wretchedly unhappy or uncomfortable. Example, their happiness made and feel even more miserable. Synonyms, unhappy, sad, sorrowful, dejected, depressed, downcast, downhearted, down. Antonyms, happy, contented. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.